Good morning and welcome to the pre-market report for 27th June 2022. Now, when we look at the international news cycle, there is not much that has changed, as globally there is only two really new news. The first is that the UK, US, Canada and Japan have decided to ban Russian gold imports due to the Ukrainian war, and then the second is that the American government plans to aim $200 billion as a part of the G7 group so as to rival the China Belt and Road Initiative. But I believe they're very late to the party, as China has already made huge inroads in Africa and Asia. Now, on the Indian economy front, the governor has given a statement that the Indian inflation is likely to exceed and be on top of the top band of the RBI until the December of 2022. So now that is a bearish statement is given. And the other thing which has been trending, what I can see on news sites, is that for foreign portfolio investors, their way out continue. That only in June, from the Indian equity segment, they ended up pulling out another 46,000 crores. So that is a huge hit to the Indian market, and we have seen the impact as we are trading it. So basically that is the only general news. There is company specific news, but that I don't believe we need to cover. Now, when we come to how the global indexes are, the global indexes, as everyone knows, did very well on Friday, and they've had a lot of people very excited. Now, when we first look at the Nasdaq has reached the first target I had given on the upside, which is of 12,060. Now we'll have to see if the Nasdaq has a small pullback here, and then it can make a fresh move to 12,610. That will be the healthy version. If it does not have a small pullback, then any up move will get killed very easily. If it has a small pullback then there will be, and that can be considered a healthy up move. Why was I saying that I am bullish on the index? Is we can see one of my trending indicators had turned bullish on 20th of June 2022. There are three indicators which I have given clients. This is one of them. It's both got an intraday version and a positional version. Now you can see on 20th June it had turned bullish, and you can see after that the upward swing. Now when we come to S&P, it's the same story. I've given a target of basically 3840. It has blown past it and gone up to 3,900. Now if it manages to breach this level, then it can reach 3,991 as the next target. And even in this, I was bullish due to the same reason that we can see on 21st June, on 20th June, but 21st June was when it was completely bullish. On 20th June also this has started this crossover, and it indicated now it is time to go long, and that has been satisfied. Now comes to the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones is the index which I believe will cause a bit of trouble and can help both the other indexes have a small pullback, after which to resume the upward move if necessary, if they can. Basically chart patterns supports that, and we can see the same. It has met the first target, my first target of 31,345, as it reached 31,408. And now if it manages to break this resistance, the next target is 32,111. And for Dow Jones, the same thing is a turn bullish on 21st June, and we can see after that anyone who would have been only using this indicator, not the other two also, all three together make a very strong package, would have gone long and nicely made their funds. Now when we come to the local market for today, the SGX is indicating a gap up of 1% and 250. So it will be interesting to see post gap up how the index performs. But now let's see what the chart is showing as of now. Now on last week, at the beginning of the week, I had given a target of 15,700 positionally. If you look at Monday's video last week where I shared my quant levels, and then I had given a target of 32,700 at the Banknifty. We can see that is exactly what happened as we tested it on what do you call this? Let's open on the daily chart. You can see it tested it and then got rejected, and then on Friday again it managed to reach 15,700 and 32,700 and still could not breach through. So now why I'm highlighting this is today's gap up is going to be very important. How much strength it has getting out of this zone, this resistance levels which I provided. They've proven the mantle. They've managed to stop the index from 20th, 21st June up till Friday. Because even on Friday, with all the bullishness which was there in the market, we could not break 15,700 and 32,700. So now, once we gap up above it today, we'll have to see how the index performs in the, I would say, the first hour, first candle of the 3-hour chart. That is going to decide whether we have breached this strongly enough, or this is just a bounce that is going to go up and then get killed. I'm not sure if my quant levels today, as basically today they'll be very precise, and I've left that for the people who have subscribed for my service. So basically on the simple chart front, we have a resistance at 50,950 and also a resistance at basically 16,180. So now it will be important to see how the Banknifty or how the Nifty handles these two resistance. This is the one which will cause the most hurt for the index, as it is now number one. It is coming out of battling 15,700, which has given it hell the whole of last week, and now it's already lost a lot of strength here, and now it's going to have to battle a very strong resistance here. Now the Banknifty, ironically, is looking to be in a better state, as its resistance is not number one that far away, and it has fought with most of the resistance which it ought to deal with. So if it once it gaps up above 32,700, which is held it the whole of last week, the next one we'll have to see is 33,900, how it deals with that. If it manages to breach that, then on the simple price action point of view, it can go up to 34,490, at which it might falter. So this is now the index has entered a very tough resistance zone, as basically they are now trying to break out above a zone that was causing hell for them, and they're entering a zone that is basically got a lot of resistance every, I would say, few 50 to 100 points. So that is going to cause a lot of bounciness in them, and I expect a lot of traders to get whipsawed. Thank you for watching, and do like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you're interested in the services, then do write to me and I'll provide you the details.